Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys have all been doing well and that you've all been keeping safe. So today I actually filmed an Instagram live after a long time, like a really long time. And I just feel really proud of myself. So first things first, a huge major exciting update is I finally got a new phone. So here she is, and I am just so excited to keep on creating amazing content, especially for my Instagram. It's a Samsung, and this phone has changed my life, because what I was struggling with my previous phone was actually storage space, as well as processing power as well. And also I wanted a better camera, both front and back. Front especially for my live sessions and my stories on Instagram, and for the back for sometimes when I'm out somewhere, I don't have my camera with me, but I want to take a few snippets with me on my phone. So here she is finally. So I'm just feeling so grateful, and I'm just so excited to keep on creating more content, especially live videos for my Instagram and also more stories. And like I said, I did a live earlier today, so I'm feeling really proud of myself. I was just teaching you guys how I put together my everyday simple makeup look, which I actually have on right now. So if you don't follow me on my Instagram, hello, what are you waiting for? Please connect with me on there. The link is in the description box. And yeah, let me just share with you guys some other exciting updates. So I know you can't easily tell, and I've just switched off the filter that's sometimes on my camera, and I wanted to give you guys a better closer look to my skin. It's really improved. I struggle with texture a lot. Okay, I struggle with a number of things when it comes to my skin. So mainly texture. I do have breakouts every now and then, not as much as I used to, but they're still there every now and then. Super oily. I am super oily, so intensive oiliness and hyperpigmentation as well. So the issue that I was mainly dealing with, I believe it was between May and July, I'm filming this in mid-August, is actually texture. So my skin was really textured, and I was also dealing with breakouts because I've just had a really stressful period that time. So when I'm stressed out, when I'm going through it, my skin manifests or my skin shows exactly what I'm going through. So I break out. My skin is super textured, and it's something I've struggled with, I'd say, since I was 13, mainly because I was going through puberty at that time, and you know how for some people the skin can really get flared up, and acne is just something that really comes for you in that season of your life, and I was one of those people. So I recently got a product that I'm telling you guys, I've wanted to get this product for so long, and I actually shared it on my stories because I was so excited to get it. It's been on my wish list for 3 years. 3 whole years, but I'm just so excited to finally get it, and it's the Ordinary's glycolic acid toner. And the reason why I wanted to get this specific product is because, one, I know when it comes to dealing with texture, at least when I look back in the past, chemical exfoliation has really helped deal with texture, specifically products with glycolic acid. So I know my skin gels well with glycolic acid. So I recently got this from Cocoon Beauty on Instagram. Finally, 3 years later, here she is, and I think I've only used her 3 times. So far so good. I've seen quite a significant improvement in the texture of my skin, and I've only used it thrice in the past 3 weeks. So I started slow because with chemical exfoliation I prefer to go slow. So I've just been using it once a week for the past 3 weeks, and can you imagine, I can already see a significant difference. So I'm excited to keep using this, and I'll update you guys on how my skin is faring. But yeah, I'm just really happy about that. So now I want to go ahead and clean up the mess that I created earlier on when I was filming the live. So this is the huge mess I want to put away. I just feel like whenever I'm in a cluttered space, I can't really think properly. I can't really, achieve what I need to do properly. So I want to put all this away. Hey guys, so it's a totally different day and I am so excited because I am finally leaving this house. Like when I was putting together this vlog, I was just thinking about how the past 2 vlogs I've actually been in the house, and I mean there's nothing wrong with that. That is the reality, that I'm mostly in the house most of the time, but I just wanted to do something different for this vlog, and I'm so excited because I'm going for a little nature walk with one of my good friends at Ngong Forest Reserve, and we're just going to take a walk, breathe in the fresh air, commune with nature. Like I just need to get out of the house because I have some serious cabin fever, and I also feel like I need to prove to my neighbors that I'm still alive. So I'm so excited to be leaving the house, and I hope I can take you guys along with me. Hey you guys, so I'm driving and vlogging for the first time. I'm feeling a bit nervous because where I've placed the camera. Anyway, I had such a wonderful day with my friend, walking in the forest. Like I really needed that moment of just distressing, breathing in some fresh air, catching up because we had a lot to catch up on, and I feel so much lighter. I feel so much more at ease because I've just been feeling a bit jittery and anxious and just mentally clogged, if that makes any sense. I've just been in the house for so long and I haven't really been leaving the house. So I feel really good. I don't know how to say what I want to say in words, but I just feel relieved. That's basically what I'm trying to say. And she also took me out for a really impromptu and amazing lunch. We went to a place I've never been before, but I've heard about. It's called Sierra Lounge. Is it Sierra Restaurant? I'm not sure, but it's a restaurant at Yaya Center. Sorry, I'm trying to pay attention and drive at the same time. So if I look distracted, just know I have to prioritize my life and other people's lives, but I'm going to try and multitask. But it was just such a brilliant lunch. We are so full, we are so stuffed. I've never eaten such a hearty meal in my life. And the thing is, it was just a basic portioned meal, but I don't know why we are so full, like we've eaten so much. It feels like we've eaten so much, but we haven't. Like, we just ate regular portions, but I don't know what it is about the food there, but it's so filling. And we had a few drinks. She had 2 cocktails, I only had 1, and lots of water, of course, because I knew I was driving. We did take our time there and just chilled, caught up a bit more, and then I'm just coming from dropping her off and I'm headed home. But I just wanted to end the vlog and just say thank you to each and every one of you who's been supporting my content, who's been watching, commenting, sharing, oh my god, liking. Like, any kind of support that I get from you guys is something I really appreciate, and I just want to say thank you so much for just taking your time to support my content. I really appreciate you guys. If you're new here, hey, welcome to Maya's Glow. Please do subscribe so that you can stay tuned for more content. And for those of you guys who watch my content and maybe you think of other kinds of content that I can try out, please let me know. Just comment in the comment section down below so that I can know what more you guys want to see. That way I can create more for you guys. But yeah, I just wanted to end this vlog here. Get home soon. Hopefully I'll get home before it gets dark. And yeah, I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Mapenzi tele.